Zacks Planners is a set of tools which is now available to Zacks Advisor Tool users. It is meant to facilitate retirement goal planning discussions with your prospects and clients. And unlike the various comprehensive financial planning software packages, Zacks Planners is designed to be easy to learn, quick to use, and an exercise that you may perform with your client. There are two planners, a pre-retirement planner and a post-retirement planner. Use Zacks Planners with prospects and established clients to learn and document their requirements for your services and strategies. And as a go-to profiling and planning tool for your younger and uncomplicated client households. And as a client review tool to illustrate recent changes in the market environment. The entire process of producing a retirement plan with your client has value. As you profile your client, you're learning their goals, their assets, and how they are most comfortable approaching saving and investing. Discussions of their plan allow you to present your firm's expertise and strategies in the best way possible in terms of their retirement plan. The reporting produced by Zacks Planners has three main sections. The first is a review of your client's retirement as they define it, how much money they will spend each year, and the source of those funds, Social Security, pension, or other income sources. We also identify the annual retirement shortfall. Next, we have an indication of how their portfolio assets might grow in the years to come and be used after they retire. We present a best case, a worst case, and a most likely case scenario. Finally, what are their chances of successfully meeting their retirement spending needs with the retirement incomes and portfolio assets? Then you may show different scenarios by dynamically changing their planning variables to show how they might gain an increased level of plan success. The client data required is minimal, so much so that you'll find it easy to gather and input what you need to complete a plan during a quick conversation without prior fact-finding. We start with basic age, income, and retirement details. Then you indicate what type of portfolios your clients have. Next, you'll indicate the balances, asset allocation or expected annual return, and annual savings rates for those portfolios. Finally, you may build any known future cash receipts or disbursements. Here's a positive cash flow, a future inheritance. We can also build cash disbursements. Here we expect to pay for a wedding 10 years from now. With Zacks Planners, you can profile, input, and discuss the results of a retirement plan during the course of one meeting. The screens and reporting are branded with the specifications that you provide, your logo, contact information, and messaging. Interested? Let us know. Provide us the details which will become your branded and secure user domain. If you have further questions or wish to see a demonstration, please contact us.